Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to personalize your app and the layout of your application. So of course, I know that the very basic purpose of our application is to make your life easier, to create tasks, to assign tasks to somebody else, to be reminded about tasks naturally. But who doesn't like to have their application customized so that it looks cute and makes us just feel better as well? So we are prepared to make you happy in this area as well. And if you click on your avatar on the left, you can see the icon where the fun begins. And this is personalize. You can choose here, for example, one of 15 available avatars. Yes, personally, I find this one most appealing, and I guess I'm going to choose this one for now. Or if you don't like any of them, fair enough, you can choose a picture of your choice and upload, for instance, your photo or your pet's photo as well, your cat, your dog, whatever makes you feel comfortable, simply. And when it comes to background, you have 12 different options here. Mine is definitely, my favorite is definitely this one, but I have to admit that I've been using this already for quite some time and I need a change. So, well, I have something to choose from, so I'm going to go for this one for now. And wow, it looks great. It looks like an, old paints on an old wall, which is terrific. But like I said, anytime you wish, to have a change in your life, you can start with customizing your application and, playing with colors and with graphics here. Like I said, different avatars or a picture of your choice and different backgrounds. Let's also check if I can just play with you a little bit longer. Like check this background too. Oh, it looks a little bit like maybe more professional or cleaner. Yes, maybe sometimes the background can help you, organize your thoughts too. We can do sort of an experiment, choosing different backgrounds and avatars. Why not? Remember, we are really looking forward to hearing from you and hearing your feedback. So if there is anything that you would see in our application, any colors maybe or patterns, whatever comes to your mind and whatever would make you happy, please let us know. Email us, contact us, and yeah, that's it for today. Let's stay in touch and see you in our next tutorial. Bye!